Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone speaker low sound. So guys, if you have this type of problem that when you want to play any music on your iPhone and sound is not working, so guys, how can you increase your sound on iPhone? So guys, easily you can fix this. Let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you have to open your settings first, scroll it below, and guys click on accessibility. Here is the option of accessibility. You have to click on this tab, and guys, first of all you have to click on here the option of hearing device. So guys, if here is the option that is hearing aid compatibility, so guys, if it is turned on you need to turn off it, and after doing this you have to go back, click on audio and visual, and guys, after this here is the option of headphone accommodations. So guys, simply you have, if it is off you need to make it on, and guys, from here you need to click on brightness, and guys, you have to increase this cursor to strong, and guys, after this you have to go back. So guys, here is the option and no phone noise cancellation. So guys, if it is turned on you need to turn off it, and guys, after doing this you have to go back, and guys, you need to scroll it down more, and guys, you have to go back. So guys, after doing this your sound will be increased on your iPhone and your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.